Next up is number 6 of the programming extensions, to teleport the player to a random position when the player hits T. Okay, let's have a look at this bit of code. So really quite straightforward this. Basically because we already have a method that gives us a random grid element to place our player into. So if I go to set position of item, let's quickly have a look. Set position of item gets a new random position, and we pass in a star to say it's the player, and this loops until the position is an empty position. So gets a random cell from the grid and exits when that cell is empty, and then places the item into that position. So we're using set position of item, which is already there to place the monster and the flask and the traps into random places. So we just use that, but we pass in star instead, and what we've got now is displaying, as well as moving north, south, east, west, we offer a T to teleport. And we need to add T into the validation. So accept T as a valid command from the user. So otherwise, if we didn't have this there, then valid move would come out false. And the only other thing we need to do is handle the case where the user has hit T. So we come out of the loop, say there was a valid move. Move direction isn't M, so they're not quitting the game. And previously, we just had get the position of the player and set it blank, and then make the move, and then place the star into the relevant cell in the cavern grid. So instead of that, rather than making the move based on the north, south, east, or west, we are going to call set position. If the player hit T, we're going to say set position. That'll find a new random empty cell, and it will set the player to that position. If they didn't hit T, we want to make the move as normal based on the move direction, and then we place the star in the player's position. So this little bit of code here handles it, basically teleports the player to a new empty cell. Not a new cell, but an empty cell. So that's all you need to do for that. Not sure why this is highlighted, set position of item. I obviously did something there, but that's not part of this change. That's just those I've shown you.